What up? We're playing some video games.
Whoa, viewers, hackers, and gamers, what's going on?
Let's get this on.
Alright, we found it out. We just
No,
got,
we didn't.
we inspired ourselves by
Popping some hulls.
popping hulls, eating chos, you know. Oh.
What? Where you going?
I'm going down to Chinatown. Beep boop boop. Beep beep boop.
Oh, yeah. Camera.
Beep beep boop. Boop boop boop.
Go on. Nothing else. Okay.
Alright,
we're not on a car. You know what? Run!
Fuck me, hump me, put it in my butt and lump me.
Go. I like smelling shrimp.
Jewish people are really cool. I wish I was Jewish, cause that'd be so fun. And then I'd have some fun.
Bandage. Open.
Open
Are
sesame.
we still in the school?
We're still in
How many episodes have
Are
it
we
been
back
since we've been
here?
in
Are
the
you
school?
kidding?
We're back in the lunchroom with Diana. Whoa.
Oh wait.
Diana Tanuk na mayo.
Jump. Stop!
Jessica!
Follow her!
Hey!
The day is
You're
gone
going the wrong
without
way.
a sun.
Why don't
Turn
we
on the
roll?
light vision, baby.
It is on.
Mask on.
Jessica! Can you hear me?
My presence bright.
Um.
I need not fear. If thou art near,
Stop!
I'm sorry.
thou art my savior, kind and dear. Quick, the day is done. Oh God, the sun, look down upon thy little one. O light of light, keep me this night, and shed light.
Where do we go?
To the restroom.
Just whip a little bit real quick. No.
Dab on the floor.
O light of light, keep me this night, and shed light. Thy presence bright. I need
I can't hear.
thou art my savior, kind and dear. Quick, the day is done. Oh God, the sun,
What's happening?
upon
We're done with the game. This is the ending.
light of light.
I wish.
Keep this night.
We haven't found Linda yet, and we haven't been in mine yet.
And we haven't dabbed her
I need
ranch.
not fear if thou art near. Thou art my savior, kind and dear. Quick, the day is done.
Dude, is he having an
God,
orc?
the sun, this way blazes.
Reload.
Jess, are you there?
Fuck me in the asshole.
Thumbnail. That was pretty spooky.
You know what? I think it's time I touch myself. It's getting around that time of the day.
Yeah.
Turn on your flashlight.
Oh.
You mask off. I think she hung herself.
No.
No.
Behind you. Go behind.
You guys,
Yeah.
viewers out there, suicide isn't the answer.
Alcohol and gasoline is.
We made it. We're at the frontier of
Dudettes and bros.
Blake. Get to the other side of the lake.
Why
Yeah.
said Blake get the other side of it?
You need to go
The other way. I understand. Calm it down.
which way? That way. Nah. I think my throat. It's
We're
like
back
it feels like
here?
I sucked a horse cock.
Where are
It's
you
really
talking
sore.
about?
Oh,
Ow.
wait.
My voice is sore last night when I was yelling a bunch when we were playing basketball. Which is coming up soon, guys.
Basketball.
Don't worry.
We like that basketball.
I'm confused.
Tickle my nuts and go pee pee
So we
on
go
my
this
face
way?
all night, baby.
And no, that way.
Let me get a Minecraft quick scope.
Oh, I got it.
You got it.
What is it? It's a random person.
Well,
Fucking toe in that water.
Oh wait, that's some random good person.
they just killed themselves.
I don't know how. You know how people say drowning is the easy way to kill yourself? I don't think it is.
Where'd you hear that?
Yeah, who told you that?
That's so stupid.
Wait, is that a car? Oh,
It's a boat, dude.
Oh,
Dude, it's a good
Nice
belt.
one.
I called it a belt.
Where did you? How? Like when you're, you know how you're underwater for a long time. You know how it sucks.
yeah. Drowning doesn't seem fun. Neither does burning yourself to death.
Yeah.
Hey, you got it.
Well,
back.
you think about it. When
Just jump in.
When you're drowning, say you were far in the water, and say you regret it when you're really far and you can't get up and you're wanting air, so then you like pass out.
What the freak? No, I don't want help. I don't want help. I don't want help. I don't want help.
Yeah, you do.
We have to swim.
Yeah.
And the guy just said, "Let me help you."
Well, go that way.
Yeah, I think the game wants us to swim.
Yeah, you don't say. They just said, "Let me suck your big toe."
Okay, I'm just gonna bob in water.
Just go like Usain Nissan. What's
Just
that dude?
turn off the
Michael
camera. We
Phelps.
have light. Turn it off. We don't want to waste the battery.
Did you hear? Michael Phelps is gonna race like a deer when he's in the for Shark Week. He's gonna swim against a deer. Ah! What is that?
I don't know.
I think we were just supposed to turn a little bit, not go far into the water.
I think we were supposed to do.
I think we were just supposed to go in the city.
The big old city.
Go.
Okay, maybe we go visit the guy that's about to
Yeah.
Okay. Fucking toe in that water.
Oh my god.
You hear him?
No, he said, "I'm not putting a toe in the water."
He
So-
just lied to himself. Go that way, the house.
Not the house.
Wow.
Corey in the house.
That's a great anime.
Corey.
Wow.
See if you could buy a paddle boat. You know, like red.
Go that way and go through that way.
Wait,
that
no,
we
no, no,
didn't
no,
go.
no, 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 no. There, you weren't done looking at all this stuff.
Wait, did you see that little flashy thing?
Yeah, I did.
Nothing.
Maybe they have like a life jacket or something you could use.
Why would the heck would you make us use a life jacket? That thing's gonna.
Gucci down, shut the door, and suck my cock.
Woo, dude, you sound scared.
Get out the window. No,
You can't get out the windows.
you know? I think you're about to die.
Go that way. And no, go that way.
Yeah, yeah. Which way?
No.
Let
Go
me
in the
out.
house again.
Went up there.
No, we came from there. Go in the house.
You're gross.
No, we didn't.
Go in the house.
This
Go in
one?
the house. Yeah. Climb out the window.
You have to walk towards it. Yeah. Go that way? No, not that way.
Nope, not that way.
This way?
No.
Yeah, go up.
Yes. We did not come from here.
If you really want to.
Wait, did we?
No.
It
No.
looks familiar for some reason.
What are you looking at? Look the other way.
Oh, we gotta look at the water. Oh.
Zoom in a little. Zoom in. Take off the night vision.
City. It's a city.
In the city. City of Compton.
What if we're getting close?
Alright, see what he said.
Back.
What if we're almost to New York?
Tower. A radio tower or microwave relay.
What?
Civilization.
Microwave.
For a second, I was dumb enough to think I might not die.
Microwave.
What's a microwave?
It's a microwave.
Dude, we might be able to get out of here.
We might be able to touch myself to a picture of Bill Cosby. Oh yeah.
Bill Cosby's a great guy.
No, he's not.
Yeah, he is. He taught me to be...
Jump. Do it.
He taught me how to put drinks and sleeping pills together.
You're not me. That's not a joke thing about. No joke
Hey,
about.
this channel's child friendly.
Yeah.
For the most part.
We do toy reviews, and Minecraft Let's Plays, and Roblox pornography.
If we're getting so, of course, there's those random short guys.
Yep, ours turn.
Oh.
Yeah!
All right.
Wait, which way did you just say? That way. Wait, did you say pick up the phone? Call Kanye?
Like it.
Just run like your name is Ayo, hello.
Run like it's Kanye.
Where am I
You know
supposed
you're
to
not
go?
supposed to go in the water. Go in that house. The boathouse. Maybe you can get a boat.
Yeah,
That'd be so sick. It turns into Grand Theft Car 2.
Oh, that was pretty smooth.
That was like the guy that went across the
A
Twin.
boat.
There's a glowy stick over there. In the city.
We
Oh,
just want to
Compton.
party.
Can they like lighten up on the spookiness? Jeez.
Why'd you do that?
He didn't like the door.
Yeah.
I'd say lock it.
I'd say lock it. Tyler, lock it.
Oh.
If you find this, head straight back to Temple Gate and tell Papa Knock that there is a horror and torment here that tests even my faith in God. Men alone cannot face it. The enemy waits in the darkness here. God save my soul and yours.
Wait, there's batteries?
Okay.
I need a reacher rule.
That sounds promising.
This looks like here's something. That's just me.
Alright, leave.
I want to do it like this.
Head that way.
Yeah.
You know?
This way?
Yeah. No. Yeah.
I think I have to go this way.
No.
Go this way.
Why? Just try the other way.
No.
Try going that one way, please.
There's a little glowy thing in there.
Right here?
Yes, bandages. But try going that one way, please.
They're
This way?
stocking us up.
This way?
No, the other way.
I'm going this way.
Oh my.
Oh my gosh, we have to get across the river, not the canal. No.
That way?
Yes. That way.
Want me to swim? I'll swim.
No, no. See if there's a rock to climb or something.
Or maybe we can ask him.
Refund.
Find a way to cross the lake, that's it.
I want a bow. Oh,
Raft. That could get me across.
Yeah! I told you so.
Okay, then watch a video and see how we make it or something.
Help.
What?
Help wasn't coming.
wait, what is that?
Okay.
Oh, I see it.
It's help. Oh gosh.
So where's the
He
raft?
said raft. Somewhere there's a raft.
Right there.
Right here?
Yes.
Ooh. It's like safe and bougie.
Dude. I feel like I'm a river rafter. This is actually really fun.
Okay, paddle, just paddle.
Just go like a mo.
This is actually really hard. This is actually really hard.
Go, you gotta go fast. Pretend you're Lightning McQueen. You gotta go fast.
Oh my god.
Oh,
This is
come
really
on.
hard.
Dude, keep going. Okay.
Does it say I had to go fast?
Yes,
Yes.
it said go fast, eat ass, and
It didn't.
smell grass.
It didn't
Look
say
at civilization, baby.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
I see you start turning a little more.
I can't turn. You have to
get someone's vaping. Look at all the vape.
Oh my gosh, turn.
I don't like it.
It's not turning.
I don't like this.
He's doing the same shit.
I don't like this.
So, do you guys like to eat shrimp?
Only if it's fast shrimp.
There, gosh.
Back in the backyard, where?
Did it really say go fast?
Yeah.
It
Sonic
said
fast.
go fast or
Eat ass. There's a shark.
No, there's not.
There's a shark. I told you.
hey. Yes.
What?
God helped us again. What the?
Stop.
Let it go.
I'm letting it go.
What is it?
Let it go. All the koi
Fish.
fish. It was a...
The apocalypse.
What?
God, I'm just losing my shit.
There's gonna be a waterfall, brother. Oh!
You were right. But that was a crazy wave.
Crazy wave, brother. Why didn't you shred that, bro?
I know.
What is
I feel so. I think I know what he means by apocalypse. I
What?
Get to the raft.
Get to the raft! Get to the raft! Gnarly wave, brother.
No. Did I just get taken already? No. Get to the raft.
Get to the raft!
Get to the raft. Get to the raft. Get to the raft. Get to the raft.
In the city. XXX temptation. XXX temptation on the beat. Man, you like that? That shit ain't neat. Yeah.
The
I beat
city's
my meat.
gone.
The city of Compton.
The city's wasn't even there. I think the city's
I think you're
still
looking
there.
the wrong place,
No,
Damarant.
he still could go that way. No, but
Yeah.
what are
no,
you
no,
doing?
no, no, no.
What? Are you doing? Look, it's still there. I don't
Yeah.
see it. It's
Yeah.
just behind
there
the
it
trees.
There's this thing called the gravitational pull, and since Earth is flat, it pulls you down, and then you can't see stuff because trees are in the way.
Why'd you think?
Yeah, I heard it on Vsauce here. You think? I'm not gonna say it.
We're so
Are we
close.
about to go white wafter wifting? White wafter wifting?
No idea what's going on. Just let the
White
water
wafter
take it.
wifting.
Let the water take it.
White wafter wifting. Ooh. This reminds me of there was a person standing up,
No,
filling
there
up his
wasn't.
cup.
Was it really?
No, I don't think so. This reminds me of this ride at Disney where you are on a raft.
Yeah.
Really? Yeah.
This, you know what this kind of reminds me of? The park.
Yeah, that was such a good game. There's the city.
Civilization land. What if there's a bunch of different endings?
Boy.
There's no excuse for a boat. Come on.
I like shrimp. They taste so good. It tastes so good. It tastes so good.
Shit. Come on.
You could have grabbed a couple of those fish. It would have been pretty good to eat.
Yeah.
I need to clean. I'm close. I'm
Don't
almost
tell
there.
me he's going for Rebecca.
We should start calling her.
The cult ones are dead. Those good Christians. Those gods that she had to die. The heretics, they want her to have the baby.
What is he talking about?
My God. What are you doing? There's no baby. I have to. Jesus. Lynn. I'm coming.
Looks like the beginning.
No, it
Well,
doesn't.
You know who makes a good spooky game? Whoever made this game.
Red barrels.
Red Barrel.
God.
I think it's like baptizing and like.
Yeah,
Jerusalem.
baptizing you. Light them. The baby has been baptized. Light them on
Those
fire.
are
throw 'em off the
bodies.
cliff.
They all
Hey,
been
pick
baptized.
those up to eat.
They've all been baptized.
You could find a liver and make some shrimp.
Why'd you know?
Shrimp livered, baby. Hey, it's like shrimp on a stick
Ah,
with their intestines tied together.
I think that's a rock right there. No, it's not. Why are we going so slow? Do I have to paddle? Oh.
unless you're going.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Well, she's asking for some shrimp
No, we're gonna
out in
become
the
a
outback, you know.
Shush, Bob.
Welcome to the outback, baby. We got kangaroo meat. Look at the moon.
We also got some horse meat.
Ooh.
Horse cock.
It's gonna
There's
put you in
no
a shock.
rock like horsecock. Put your asshole in the shock with horsecock. You know what?
I really like the
wanna
water. It
dance
looks really
right
pretty.
now.
You know, I just want to congratulate R for being a perfect rower.
Paddle boater.
Come on! You're just ruining this movie.
I'm sorry. When you get back to civilization, you should become a rafter.
Oh shoot!
Sail.
Is the water taken?
Yeah.
Shit, the raft. May still be there.
Okay, go to the other side. Go to the other side.
You need to raft again.
No, you need to go through this.
Maybe use a light.
Oh. Do you jump?
There's the raft.
Jump!
Is that a bad idea?
I don't even know the raft.
You're probably gonna die.
No, please.
Don't help me, please. Let me help you.
Maybe he gets a free shrimp from the Outback.
Free ship. God, that rash on my
Where
ball
was the
sack
raft? Did you not actually see it?
I never saw
You
it.
just have to jump like Jimmy John's.
Where's the raft? Turn off night vision. Oh, it's right there.
Oh, you have to shimmy on, shimmy down. Yeah, I wanna rock with you on. You're not moving very fast.
Motherfucking no.
Motherfucking no, bruh. Yeah, bruh.
And then listen to it.
That's a little weird.
Have you ever just put a radish in your asshole?
Killed as a warning. Or a welcome.
Ooh.
We're all welcome eventually.
Oh. Vsauce here. Jump
Interact.
With what?
that bad boy.
What? How convenient.
He can just push a tree over.
If I
It's gonna
walk too
break
fast.
Snip, snip, baby. Love. See. What does that say?
You know what'd be funny? The game just ends right here.
Wait, there's something next to it.
Us.
Turn on the
Don't.
cam. Love set us free. These people sure are loving.
They like to beat you up.
Turn around.
Keep going. We'll get to the raft. The raft.
The raft.
Fumes.
The wafty waft.
If I get...
Maybe don't go in the motherfucking water.
I know.
I like this music though.
What? It just sounds like it's all the guys about to come.
I'm gonna buy that on iTunes.
It sounds like a ton of guys who are just about to come.
Alright, go that way. You're supposed to say which way when I say that.
Yeah, well, where?
That way, yeah. What's that?
A rock, like always. I can't even put out my camera. What is
What was
this?
that?
Anybody else want to try river rafting?
You hear a trombone, whatever it is, instrument, it's a fat person.
What do you mean?
Really?
This is actually dope. They should make this a ride at Disney. You see those motherfuckers hopping?
Dude, you should join the Olympics.
That was a big ass hop.
Those were horses.
Those are not horses. They're
Dang!
Shit! They're putting on a show for us.
Olympics.
They jump high. Where are they going?
The 2020 Cannibal Olympics. The loser gets eaten.
I thought it was the winner.
The winner gets the dick chopped.
and get served to the loser while they get killed.
Shoot. It broke.
Just keep holding on, like Sally Mae Terry.
Oh, shoot.
Hey, at least you still have a raft.
There's the mine.
Where? Where the heck does he see this shit?
Give it a zoom.
I can't even go use the camera.
Somebody's mother. I believe a father. But I'm not. I don't have it in months.
Oh,
Oh my goodness.
that sucks, brother.
He's a father and he didn't even know it.
It's
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
get him on that show.
He has a kid named Jabari, Carl.
Wait, what's that show?
Jerry Springer's.
Get him on the Jerry Springer show. So we were at this cannibal camp, and she had a kid, but it doesn't look like me. It's got weird teeth, and it has 2 penises.
But
Can you-
Jabari is his father's name. He's gonna swim. Woo! Hey,
Hey, I gotta tell you something. Papa John, Papa John, Papa John, Papa John,
What is happening? What is happening?
hentai again.
We're in the snow.
Snowed it.
we're in the bathroom.
What happened?
We're in the swimming pool.
What is going?
We're underwater.
Oh, hell no!
I like shrimp. I like shrimp.
Maybe
Tastes
we should
very
pause
good.
it enough for next episode.
Yeah.
How about no?
Yeah. how
No,
about-
no. Dang it.
We can't have a freaking half an hour.
Just swim. Okay, fuck this! Alright, that's the end of the episode.
Wow, guys, this was a shrimp-tastic episode.
All right, we